Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process for your Dyson SV12, you will need a few essential tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure to prepare your workspace to ensure a smooth operation. First, disconnect your Dyson from the power source. Safety is paramount. Turn the vacuum off and remove the battery. This is a crucial step to avoid any electric shock during the repair. Next, using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it feels stuck. Inside, you will see the motor assembly. Take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage or debris. Now, you will need to disconnect the motor. Locate the wiring harness connected to the motor. Carefully unplug it by squeezing the connector and pulling it away. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure you are not pulling on the wires themselves. After disconnecting the wiring, you will find additional screws holding the motor in place. Remove these screws with your T15 Torx screwdriver. Once all screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its compartment. If you notice any dust or debris inside, this is a good time to clean the area. A clean vacuum functions better and lasts longer. When installing the new motor, make sure it is aligned properly with the screw holes. Place the motor into its compartment and reattach the screws securely. If you don't have the tools necessary for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor. Make sure it clicks into place, ensuring a secure connection. After that, replace the back cover of the vacuum, aligning it correctly before securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery, and your Dyson SV12 should be ready to use. If you experience any difficulties during the process or prefer to have it done by a professional, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. With our service, you can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Plus, with no calls and no travel needed, we make it easy for you to get your vacuum back to optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.